Jasura district is reputed as an industrial city of modern Odisha, has many historic sites including the Astachandi Pit. The Padmasini temple in Padmampur is distinct from other Chandi Pit in the district on the account of its exotic construction style. The ancient Padmasini temple submerged in Hirakud reservoir has a long history. The art and architecture of Padmasini temple is utterly peculiar from other temples in Odisha. The volumetric stone has been utilized in construction of temple. The two stone inscriptions have been found in the temple, but they have not been deciphered. Even the founder and construction date of the temple has not yet been determined. The Padmasini temple is a Chalukya monument of 8th century. In the 7th century, the Padmasini temple was built by Chalukya king of South. However, the original temple had met with decay and was believed to be rebuilt by the Chauhan king of Sambalpur in 16th century. A look at the Jagmohan of original temple reveals striking resemblance with the architecture of Chalukya era. In the whole Odisha, the Padmasini temple is a unique example of Chalukya art and architecture. The city of Padampur was very prosperous in education and culture. Bhavati, one of the greatest Sanskrit drama writer and philosopher of Vedopanishad and Dasana Shastra, was born in the city of Padampur in 8th century AD. Bhavati's three famous dramas are Malti Madhav, Mahabir, and Uttar Ramacharit. Moreover, it is said that Brajajana Tantra Marga of Buddhism took origin here. Unfortunately, the ancient city of Padampur has been inundated as a result of implementation of Takur Dam project by Odisha government. However, the resident has been relocated to Pujaripalli in Kapilapur village and a new temple has been constructed at Pujaripalli. An ancient idol of Mother Padmavati installed there. The submerged ancient Padmasini temple is completely visible as the water level drops during the summer.